Setting up a shop and selling on Instagram is a great way to make it easy for customers to buy from you. But the process of setting it up can be tricky. Here's a step-by-step process of how you can set up your own shop on Instagram. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is ensure you're eligible. Instagram provides clear information on the qualification needed to be eligible. So please ensure you check that even before starting. Now comes the most important part. Preparing your shop information. To set up a shop on Instagram, you'll need to gather all the necessary information and assets. This includes creating a catalog of your products or services, collecting high-quality product images, writing captivating descriptions, and pricing your offerings. Once you have gathered all the information, you need to set up your catalog. In order to showcase your products on Instagram, you'll need to create a product catalog in Facebook Business Manager. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. You can use Facebook's Catalog Manager tool or integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce. Just make sure your catalog meets Facebook's guidelines and have accurate and up-to-date information. Once your catalog is ready, it's time to go to your Instagram business profile settings and navigate to the shopping section. Here, you'll follow the instructions to submit your account for review. Instagram wants to ensure that your shop complies with the policies before granting access to the shopping feature. Congratulations, your account has been approved for shopping on Instagram. Now comes the best part, where you start tagging your products in your posts and stories. When creating a new post, you'll find an option to tag products. Simply select the relevant product from your catalog and position the tags appropriately within your visual content. Customers can then connect with you via direct messages where you can send them a payment link to collect payments. In addition to this, Instagram offers a variety of shopping features to enhance your shop's visibility and reach. For example, you can create shopping collections to showcase specific product categories, use shopping stickers in your Instagram stories to catch your audience's attention, and explore paid advertising options like shopping ads and carousel ads. Remember that it's important to regularly monitor the performance of your shop on Instagram. Use Instagram Insights and other analytics tools to understand your audience's engagement and preferences. This valuable information will help you optimize your product offerings and marketing strategies. And that's our 2 cents or Instagram shop feature. Thank you for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with payments.